evening. I'm your host, Dylan.
And I'm Kinley.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast. It's Thursday, January 16th.
It's National Without a Scalpel Day.
And also National... Wait, did you say Without a Scalpel Day?
Yeah.
How are people going to perform surgeries?
That's a good point.
Since it's Thursday, Monday's lunch will be a pizza stick and a chef's salad.
Don't you mean Tuesday?
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. It's Martin Luther King Jr. Day on Monday.
Meaning that we have a 4-day weekend this week.
Woohoo!
But it also means that we're going to have Friday school again.
Oh man, not again.
Yeah, but the extended weekend makes up for it.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Anyways, you want to hear the fun fact of the week?
Sure.
Did you know that giraffes are 30 times more likely to get hit by lightning than humans?
How do you know this?
Well, that's the giraffe's problem, not mine.
True. Anyways, if you are in need of clothes, hygienic products for a variety of reasons, please see Miss Jenna about visiting the clothes closet located by Miss Collins' classroom. There is a collection of clothing of all sizes available for students in need. These clothes can be borrowed or kept.
Also, more CMS news. MAPS testing is next week. The reading portion of the test will begin on Tuesday in ELA classes. Math map testing will begin on Thursday in math classes.
Speaking of offices,
I never said anything about office.
On Monday, January 20th is Inauguration Day, aka the day when the new president is sworn into office.
Oh yeah, so that means Trump presidency starts soon. You want to hear the joke of the week?
Okay, sure.
What time of year do people get injured the most?
1.
In the fall.
But it's spring.
It doesn't matter, it's a part of the joke.
Okay, sure, whatever.
Oh wait, I almost forgot about the character of the week.
Can I say it this time?
Fine.
Yay, okay. Drum roll, please. Bluey!
I love Bluey.
It's like my favorite animated TV show.
Real. I literally had a yogurt of her face today.
Slay. Well, I think that's all from the CMS broadcast.
Until next time.
Bye!